I'm a project manager for various contracts in our capital department at Chesterfield Borough Council. Fencing is one of those. Our existing specification is the concrete post and concrete plinth fence panel system. I was looking for an easier installation type fencing. I wanted something which wouldn't crack and something to last a lot longer, and also something smarter and not so as bulky as the concrete posts. I saw this DuraPost system and decided to look into it deeper. It just seemed that this was an easier installation, and following that I had various discussions with Birkdale and also the local supplier. It's just a win-win situation. It was a good product to use, and we was allowed to trial it, and that was a success. So from now on we are only using the DuraPost system. So out of the colour choices, overall the client decided to choose the anthracite grey with the matching post caps as well. I feel that the timber fence panels will last a lot longer because they are well secured as part of the actual system, and it is a beautiful finish for everybody, not just for the council but also for the actual residents, which we obviously want to deliver such a good service to them. It is a product which we feel that is going to last compared to the concrete post system. I'm very happy it's gone very well, and also the response I've had from residents, they are highly delighted in the actual system, and also how it can be cleaned down, where concrete posts can't particularly be cleaned, but at least with this glossy finish, the actual posts can be easily wiped over. I definitely would recommend everybody uses DuraPost, from private house builders to councils and housing associations. I can't find any fault with the product.